waited watching fishies for hours. Oh my god, I can't wait. Oh my god, let's see what type of fish we see. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna name those Poo Poo Poo. Those are my favorite fish ever. Oh, look at Nemo! Oh my gosh, look at all of them. Oh my gosh. Click in the comments that you love Nemo. Oh my god, let's keep on watching and see what other types of fish we can find. Oh, look guys, it's Nemo and Dory! Oh my god, guys. That's so crazy. Okay, we see some seaweeds. I eat seaweeds all day long. Oh, seahorse! Seahorsey! Can the seahorse come out? I think the seahorse is stuck. Seahorse.
I have a blue grader.
It's triangle fish, guys. Triangle fish. Look, it's Dory. It's Dory. Okay. Let's just keep on watching. Oh my gosh. Look at all those herds of fishies. Oh my god, guys, that's so awesome. You drink some of my Gatorade. Let's keep on watching. Hey, what are you watching? I don't really want you in this video. I'm just reacting to fish. So yeah, just scooch it out, please. Okay, let's go watching. Look at that fish, she just came to the screen. I'm gonna name that Rainbow. Now I think we should name that Voodoo. Shut up. It's Rainbow, not Voodoo, whatever the hell you said. Look, Rainbow again. No, hello. Get off the screen. Oh, look, an eel. Is that an eel? That's a freaking fish. Get off. Look at all those herds of fishies. Super awesome. Oh, that one right there is named Timmy. I love Timmy. No, it's not. It's me. That's literally me, not Timmy. Ah! Look at those. Oh, look, Timmy right there. That's me, not Timmy. Look, it's Mimo. That's not Mimo. That's a clownfish, you stupid idiot. No, it's not. You get out. You're so annoying. You tell me, get out. Yeah. Oh, those fish swim away. I think they're swimming away for a shark. Maybe they're just swimming together, okay? Dumb. Oh my god, sea turtle! Look at that, that's so beautiful. That's not a sea turtle, that's a freaking turtle. Okay, yeah, I had enough of you. That's all taken care of now. Let's keep on watching. Look, more seaweeds. I love eating seaweeds, like I said. Those herds of fish. We should name that the Rainbow Land. Oh my god, an octopus! Look at it changing colors! Look, it's changing colors! It's changing colors! Oh yeah, just changed white. Look at it. Oh my god, change it red. it's changing color. Bro, this is AI. This is AI.